Usually, what is our state? Naturally, there is pleasure and there is pain. So our state is such that we want pleasure, we want the good experiences. When something good is happening, automatically we relax, we expand. But when there is pain, it is very natural that we kind of want to shrink, we want to numb ourselves, we don't want that pain. This is something that happens with everybody. The simple thing that when we go to the doctor, right, we have to take an injection. All of us have experienced that the doctor would say, just relax the muscles here, just take deep breaths. We don't even realize that we've stopped breathing, that we've just held on, that we're just contracting the muscles there in anticipation of the pain. We already know that there's going to be pain, so we start contracting, right? So this numbing is something which is very natural. Whenever there is pain, to really survive, we numb ourselves. And right from childhood, so many of these experiences have happened. Right from the time that we were in the womb to the time we were born, young children, so many times that there has been emotional, physical pain, and a lot of numbing has happened as a result of this. So we are all carrying all of this. And naturally, what happens is we all start coming in the head, especially in the modern day, when we are living here. The civilization has become so much that we can live without awareness. We can operate like machines, right? Not being aware because it's absolutely safe. The ground is actually leveled. I don't have to be mindful while walking. Earlier, when people used to walk on, in jungles or on mountainous areas, they had to be so careful, so present to what's happening. But we can actually just start living. We can be thinking our own things, we can be in our mind, we can be in our heads, and we can be operating here just mechanically because so many things we've just learned automatically. So many of us, when because of the numbing that has happened, we've started living in the head, we started living in the mind, we started living in our stories. All those stories, we are literally gripped by them. We are living in all of that, and the heart has actually shut because of that pain that has happened, so much emotional pain. The heart is the one that's inclusive. The mind is the one that excludes, which says, oh, I don't want this pain, this person, people treat me badly, I don't want to have connection with these kind of people. I don't like my mother-in-law, I'm not going to go and meet her because I get this pain, right? It's the mind which starts excluding things, excluding people, because we want to avoid the pain. The heart is the one that connects. So what we need to do uh, as a process of really becoming whole beings, becoming healed, is that we need to really reopen the heart. So when we are meditating, right, we may have experienced certain pain, and the mind would say, no, 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 I never want to experience this. In Hindi they have this saying, दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है, right? So when you've been burnt by hot milk, even when it's that cold chach, you would blow into it, because you're anticipating pain. So many times, this is really about our normal life, our relationships. So many times in normal relationship, we don't even realize how those painful experiences are playing out, how we are actually perceiving everybody through those glasses. I don't like this person because this person would be reminding you of that boss who treated you badly, would be reminding you of that boyfriend who left you, right? So those experiences are there, and we are actually operating from the glasses of all of that past. So we need to really reopen our heart.